Well, the front loaders all have a problem. They always contain mold because the water doesn't leave the drum. Behind the drum where you can't see, there's this static water. This starts going mold, and then the ceiling of the door, they have rubber grommets around the door, and underneath that it's all black. And so, if you've got it in your washer, that means you're wearing it and you're sleeping in it.
Mm-hmm.
So you're never getting away from it, even if your house is fine. So that's one of the first things we look at.